Hey everyone, I want to do a few quick walkthroughs of some of the technology we're going to be using throughout the semester. If you go to Screencast-o-matic.com, you can create a free account which will allow you to record up to 15 minutes of a web using your webcam, and you can either turn yourself off or on, as you've seen in my introductory videos. So you can download the screen recorder from the website, or you can just use what's loaded on the actual within the actual browser. So once you choose which way you want to go and set up your free account, open up your peers document. In this case, I've chosen to open our syllabus, and then just make sure the document is in editing mode, and it will have been shared with you by the time you get to this stage. And you can just scroll down and add comments in the side, plus talk about the document as you are making suggested edits and responding to some of the prompts that I'll post when you start to do peer reviews of each other's drafts. So you can press pause up here at the top of the recording, or you can start from scratch. Once you do press done, once you're finished, you press pause, and then you'll see an option on the right at the top of your screen, or at the very bottom. It depends on where the recording controls are placed. You'll see a button that says done. You click done, and it will automatically throw up another set of options. So I would save this to your hard drive first, and then upload it to Google Drive so you can then share it with your peer and with me. So that's it for Screencast-o-matic. It's that simple. If you want to take a look at the videos that you've created, you have up to 15 minutes of free recordings that you can store on their website. I have a pro version. The school, I believe, has a pro version for faculty, but if this is something that you might want to use in the future, then I would definitely purchase a two-year subscription. It's definitely worth it. So they have a mobile app now, so you can actually do this on your phone or an iPad and edit videos on the go, which is really quite nice. So, all right, that's it, and I hope you're all doing well. See you soon.